Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Macro Anime Vanguard Mobile. First, let's dive into the main interface. You'll find it intuitive, designed for quick access to all features. We'll then walk through setting up your very first macro, step by step, ensuring you grasp the core mechanics. Finally, I'll highlight crucial settings to optimize your experience and get the most out of the application. Now, let's get into the heart of it, creating your own macros. You can easily record a series of actions directly within the app, automating repetitive tasks. After recording, we'll explore how to fine-tune these sequences, adding or removing steps as needed. Adjusting the timing and delays between each action is key to perfect execution, giving you full control over your automated gameplay. Moving on to more advanced capabilities, you can implement sophisticated looping and conditional logic to make your macros even smarter. We'll also cover common troubleshooting steps, helping you quickly resolve any issues that might arise during use. Remember to regularly back up your macro configurations to prevent data loss, ensuring all your hard work is safely stored and easily recoverable. To wrap things up, let's talk about optimizing your macros for different mobile devices, ensuring smooth performance across the board. Don't forget to connect with the vibrant community. It's a fantastic resource for sharing strategies and discovering new tips. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link in the description, along with other great deals. Keep exploring and enhancing your Anime Vanguard mobile experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.